to the guys and goddesses of Planet Content. Thank you for tuning in. It's imperative that we start this lesson off with the right spiritual energy. So let me start by saying peace to the guys and goddesses of Planet Kai. Peace, meaning positive energy, always creates elevation. All right. So today we will be talking about FBG Duck and what really happened with him. All right. So if you know anything about FBG Duck, he's a huge rapper out of Chicago that just was killed a few months ago, not that long. All right. So basically, there has been no suspects in the case. And I'm just tired of holding back about the shit because it all coincides with what's going on right now in the world with the second son returning and them killing us off and trying to keep energetic wars going. All right. So let's talk about it. Right. Like I was saying a minute ago. All right. You got to look at it like this. In Chicago is making a lot of money right now off this drill music. OK, the drill music and drill scene in Chicago is based off the violence that's going on the South Side between the G's versus the BDs. Okay, so the fucking biggest GD rapper in Chicago, that was just the biggest GD rapper, was FBG Duck, right? And the biggest BD rapper in Chicago, Lil Durk, right? It wouldn't be Chief Keef right now because he's not as active as Lil Durk, all right? So understand that these people make a lot of money off this war, all right? Now, anytime, because I'm from the streets, you can't fool me. All right. If you from Chicago, you know, or any city, you should know. You're not killing nobody in no downtown and getting away with that shit. OK, so when he first got killed, you know, I waited like a week. I'm like, man, whoever did it, I don't wish jail on nobody. I know they got a war going back and forth. So casualties come on both sides. This is why we shouldn't be at war with each other, because people die on both sides. All right. I get it. I know how it goes. But I also know how the police work. They love for us to kill each other because that gives them a 2 for motherfucking 1. All right? It's a 2 for 1. You kill a motherfucker, he's now gone. They can use his carbon and his energy to do whatever they want with it and then harvest his soul and send it back. And they can send you to their man-made jails and harness your physical energy that way. It's a 2 for 1, right? So this was should have got everybody knowing about the Duck killing that something wasn't right. He got killed downtown Oak Street, Chicago. Busiest intersection downtown, rich, affluent area. Nigga, I wouldn't even scrap with a nigga on, like I said, I wouldn't even scrap with a nigga on Oak Street. Nigga, meet me on Michigan, nigga. Not even nigga, Chicago Avenue, nigga. Feel me? Like a side street, nigga. Meet me on Wells, nigga. You feel me? Oak Street, though? Billionaires are on Oak Street. Billionaires, all right? Now, Duck, let's talk about what they are saying. It's being said in the streets that he was killed by somebody in the streets. I'm not throwing no names out there. I don't do none of that. I ain't no police nigga. I don't do none of that. But the streets is saying that somebody in the streets killed him. And I'm just here today to say the streets did not kill FBG Duck, nigga. Nigga, real life shit, nigga. Just like Zach TV. When Zach TV was solving the Kanika Jenkins case, what happened to him? He got killed. And then they said some niggas in the streets did it. And niggas believed it. Well, we are awakening today, so you shouldn't believe that. All right? Zach TV was killed because he had solved the fucking Kanika Jenkins case, which is nothing more than the fact that, like I've been telling y'all, the Kanika Jenkins case is an example of these reptilian shapeshifters who kidnap our girls and our women and kill and eat them. And everybody else that they had pulled on TV was fucking clones and agents in on that shit, nigga. And the only person that was bringing truth to light was Zach motherfucking TV, nigga. Ain't nobody in the streets killed Zach. Nigga, the whole Chicago fuck with Zach. Nigga, he was going to any hood in the city in the heart of the war, nigga, and was getting interviews. Nigga, what is you talking about? You feel me? But the streets gonna claim it because niggas is clowns and they won't clap. Nigga, we did that. Because that's how it be going. Niggas be in their lower chakra, working on in their lower self. So the only thing they care about in my city is how many murders they got. Nigga, I got 10 bodies, nigga. That's attractive in my city. So that's going to show you the energy that they have my city vibrating on. And we're going to talk about this today, too. What's really going on in Chicago. All right? Peace to all the guys and goddesses tuning in via YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. Share it live 3 times because we didn't come to fuck around today. I'm not going to keep holding this in my soul. I've been trying to hold it in now. Because I see too many vloggers vlogging about who killed Duck and this and that. But nobody's really being honest. Niggas is vlogging, pulling other people into it, trying to keep the beef going and shit. I'm not here to keep no beef going. Nigga, I'm here to end that shit, nigga, and let a nigga know, nigga. And let y'all use your own mind. Nigga, he got killed downtown on Oak Street, nigga. He been dissing the BDs for years. That's how he got famous. Never got killed, right? Never got killed, nigga. Never, nigga. That's not, he never got killed, right? He been dissing niggas. But they want to say Duck got killed because he was dissing the BDs and O-Block, nigga. Nigga, he been doing that. Nigga, that ain't what he got him killed. That's the pawn that the media is trying to, the Medea, because she's a lying-ass bitch. She's an enchantress. The media is painting, just like they did with Nipsey Hussle. Oh, he got killed by one of his homies who snitched. Okay, y'all can keep believing that shit if y'all want to, nigga. Like they did with Pac, nigga. He got killed because of Biggie. Nigga, are you not aware of what Pac was doing, nigga? Rethink about that. As far as for his people, nigga. All right, now let's talk about FBG Duck. The man been dissing the BDs, right? Been dissing the BDs. Nothing ever happened to him. Then he get a part of the 2020 Vision movement that my people got going on in Chicago right now, where they trying to end the violence. You know, they like, hey, let's put all the guns down. So they reached out to FBG Duck first, nigga. Him being the biggest GD, having so much clout for the GDs, nigga. They like, hey, we get Duck on board, we got all the GDs. And what happened? Duck got on board, nigga. Go look at the video, nigga. He made a video saying, hey, we need to put the guns down in Chicago, you know what I'm saying? We need to come together. He was willing to squash the beef with the BDs, even though they kill people on his side, nigga. Real life events. Don't nobody ask to get in here, because I'm not finna argue with nobody. Because anybody vote for somebody from Chicago want to argue about that, I'm not finna argue with nobody. I'm going to say what it is so you can believe what you want to believe. You feel me? Let me finish what it is. All right? Peace to the goddess who just sent me that request. I say that with all respect. Goddess. All right? Right? The man FBG Duck made a fucking video and posted it. Like, hey, we gonna squash the beat. Let's put all the guns down. Then you had another BD rapper. All right? Lil Zay Osama get on board with the 2020 Vision. Right? Then Dirk hadn't got on board yet. But, nigga, you had King Von getting on board, nigga. Facts, nigga. And Dirk would have eventually got on board, nigga. Yes, he would have, because if all the GDs say, hey, we willing to, I know y'all cut a lot of our GDs, but we willing to put that shit in the past and move forward. Nigga, that's going to make the BDs be like, man, I'm going to put all the BDs y'all killed behind and we going to move forward, nigga. The only reason niggas don't put it behind them and the war keep going is because a nigga be like, man, I'm scared if I really in reality, I'm from the streets, nigga. You ain't going to tell me that. If Waka Flocka and Lil Wayne can let y'all know that they bloods and don't shit happen to them, I'm letting y'all know I've been a part of that Gangster Disciple Growth and Development Organization, GDs. You feel me? So I know for a fact, nigga, that if niggas willing to put it to the side, the other side will too. The only reason people don't do that, right, is because a nigga feel like, man, I don't wanna, you know, think shit cool and be like, all right, well, we gonna squash it, and then next week you snake me and shoot me in my shit because I'm thinking it's squash. So the fear keeps the war from being squashed in Chicago, nigga. But guess who benefit the most off this GD war in Chicago, nigga? The government, nigga. The government. Who put all the guns in our city in Chicago, nigga? I got a song right now called Lost Out Here, nigga. Why I come here, I talk about it. They got homicides rising. Homicide riding. Almost lost my life to the system trying to survive it. And you might lose your life to the system trying to survive it. While cops ride around plain clothes, kill us in silence. Media spreading false propaganda about the violence. And when I speak out, they just say I'm inciting riots. I refuse their common views, so they call me a common fool, pro-black and idiotic hypocrite, probably buying his views. Who says the earth is flat, but from where do they draw this clue? You know what I'm saying? Like, listen, bro. I got whole songs exposing the real violence in Chicago, nigga. Nigga, you know who killed them, nigga? The fucking government killed FBG Duck, nigga. Yep, I said it, nigga. Fuck the feds, fuck the CIA. Y'all won't smoke, nigga. Y'all know why I be with it. Y'all know how I'm coming. And guess what, y'all? Y'all see me fuck a bunch of them up or some shit try to happen to me. Y'all don't tell them the truth, nigga. That's how y'all, this the confirmation right here, nigga. I never make another live again, nigga. Y'all know I ain't lying to y'all, nigga. Because I ain't going. They already know how I'm coming. They know I know them and they know how I'm coming. We not sugarcoating shit. Facts, nigga. You know how y'all should know the government killed FBG Duck, nigga? Because when he trying to when he made that positive video, he got so much influence that all the GDs gonna side and fall back, nigga. Now if you get Dirk and them BDs, they got all this influence, they gonna make all the BDs fall back, nigga. Now what do we have here? We have all these gangs on one accord. They not fighting each other, but they still got all these guns and all this built up chaos, which we, human beings, put in them. They gonna stop fighting each other and be like, hold the fuck on, BDG. We the same, we gods, nigga. Nigga, they got us killing each other. Nigga, let's kill them, nigga.